Another thing I want to bring up, and I don't want to get too dark on this, but we've talked about the way you want to live. But let's dive into wanting to live. Because if you look in the newspapers, I know that our company and people that are close to our company have lost 5 individuals in the past year and a half that are in their 50s. You either get busy living or you get busy dying. And you cannot carry weight, and you cannot allow your hormones to go so low that you can't live and get up off the couch. It's all connected.
Yes.
When you get more energy and you get out and you're out and about, your quality of life is better, but you have life. How many people do you have to know in their mid-50s having massive heart attacks, having strokes, right? We just saw Luke Perry, 52 years old, have a stroke. You've got to be in shape. Look, it's going to exponentially get more and more of your friends from 50s to the 60s, and they're going to drop off, and you go, I can't believe that he died.
Right.
What happened? Well,
he didn't do any preventative health. Could be one of the reasons.
All right, you cannot, and it's all connected. So, and you can see it. This is not by accident. Somebody breaks their leg, they're in their mid-50s, they gain some weight because they sat on the couch for 6 weeks, and then they stay there, and they never really get off the couch, and then they get to really being heavy, and then they die of a heart attack.
Right.
And these are all connected. So you've got to be able to decide what you want to do. Why would you want to work your whole life and die around the time you retire? That would totally suck.
That would totally suck.
I want to be able to live past my retirement.
Right.
I want to go to Key West and hang out with my wife with just the shorts and flip-flops on. That's what I want to do. Without some lady going, oh, look at that fat guy with his shirt off. I want to kind of look good with my shirt off. But again, I don't want to get dark. But listen, this is not just a choice of quality of life. This could be a choice of whether you live or die in your older age.